Hello.
Hello,
Hello. My name is John. What is your name?
my name is Sasikala.
Hello, Sasikala. Nice to meet you. I just want to write your name down. I'm I'm from South Africa. Where are you from?
I am from India.
That is good. And why do you want to improve your English? Tell me.
I want to improve my English with speaking and vocabulary, pronunciation.
Oh, okay. Now, how long have you been on Cambly?
Just 1 week.
1 week. And do you find it helpful?
Yes.
All right. Now I want to I see we only have about 11 minutes, but I want to do a lesson with you. And if you like it, I would like us to continue with these lessons. But let's see. I'm going to send it to you quickly,
Okay.
and I hope we can do some of it. It's very easy, but it's very helpful. How long have you been speaking English?
How long? Just 6 years.
Okay. Now, can you see I've sent you a link? Can you see it?
Link?
Yes. Can you see I sent you a link? Please click on it. It
I
will
am
open.
not open now.
Not opened. Okay, then that's fine. Don't worry. If it did not open, we can just have a conversation.
Okay.
All
You can
right.
send me again now.
Must I try again? Okay, just a second. I'll copy it again. Let me try. I'll send it to you again because it will be nice if you can open it. Can you see I sent you a link?
Yes, I see.
Click on it.
Okay.
It says introduce yourself.
Yes.
And there is a dialogue between Kevin and Dorothy.
Yes.
Okay? You
Yes.
can be Kevin, I will be Dorothy. Read what Kevin says.
Hi, my name is Kevin. I am your neighbor from across the street.
Hi, Kevin. My name is Dorothy. It's good to meet you.
I am new to the area, so I want to introduce myself.
Okay, you must just read the words a little clearer. So I wanted to introduce myself.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be Dorothy. Thank you. I just moved here from Los Angeles for a new job. How long have you been here?
I have lived here for 2 years now. I work down the street at the university.
Are you a professor?
No, I am a lawyer. What you do?
I'm a guidance counselor.
Let me know if you need any help with your move.
Thanks so much. It's nice to make a new friend. Now, I will be Kevin and you are Dorothy. Okay?
Okay.
Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm your neighbor from across the street.
Hi Kevin. My name is Dorothy. It's good to meet you.
I know that you are new to the area, so I wanted to introduce myself.
Thank you. I just moved here from LA for a new job. How long you been here?
Careful, it's how long have you been here?
How long you have been here?
Read the words correctly. It says, how long have you been here?
How long you
No, how long have
how long have you been here?
Good. I've lived here for 2 years now. I work down the street at the university.
Are you professor?
No, I'm a lawyer. What do you do?
I am a guidance counselor.
Let me know if you need any help with your move.
Thank you so much. It's nice to make a new friend.
Okay, now that wasn't difficult. It's just to get used to that way of speaking. And the more we read aloud, the more we improve our fluency. So if you don't have someone to talk to, please find an article or something in a newspaper or a magazine and read it aloud. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Now, we come to the vocabulary. These are expressions taken from the dialogue. Start with the first one, across the street, read the definition or the meaning, and then read the example sentence. Start with across the street.
On the other side of the street.
Read the example.
Okay, I live right across the street from a park.
Good. Next one.
It's good to meet you. A way to say you are happy to meet someone. It's good to meet you. I have heard a lot of about you.
Okay, let's do that one again. It's good to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. Read it again.
It's good to meet you. I have heard a lot about you.
Fine. Next one.
New to the area. Just moved to the area. It can be hard being new to an area.
Mhm.
Introduce, tell myself. You
Introduce
about
my careful. Introduce myself.
okay. Introduce myself. You about myself for the first time. Allow me to introduce myself to you.
Okay.
Down the street, on the same street, the grocery store you just down the street.
Mhm.
Professor,
Professor. Professor.
professor, professor, teacher at a university. He is a professor at a large university.
Fine.
Guidance, guidance a person who.
No, no, careful. The word, it is guidance counselor.
Okay, guidance counselor. A person who gives guidance to
Mm.
student. He is the best guidance counselor at the school. Lawyer. A person who works with the law. You should hire a lawyer if you need legal help.
Good.
Thanks so much. Another way to say thank you. Thanks so much for your help. Make a new friend. To start a new friendship, I like going to parties because I like making new friends.
Okay, once again, it's very easy, but it's helpful. Now we have 2 minutes, and I would like us to practice the exercise. Here, I ask a question, I read the question, you read answer number one, you read answer number two, and answer number three is your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Good. How do you make new friends? Read number one. Read it. I make new friends.
I make new friends.
But read it. Read the sentence. Can you see it?
Okay. Uh, No.
Okay, I asked the question. It says exercise. And then there's number 1. It says, how do you make new friends? And then you read answer number 1 that says, can you see answer number 1? I make new friends at parties. Can you see it?
No, I am not seeing anything.
Oh, okay. Then I'm going to send it to you quickly. Hopefully we can do it together. Just a second. Okay. I'm going to send it to you.
Over. It's last 1 minute.
I know. Okay. I will ask you the question. How do you make new friends? And then you answer, I make